You too. Nice to see you again. Hey guys, Andrew Darling here. It's been a couple weeks since I got on here, um, and it's been a rough couple weeks. So I don't have all my grades yet back for my midterms. I have one of the three. I should be getting the other ones here in the next day or so. I didn't do anywhere near as well as I wanted to. I did below the class average actually, and I've thought about it. Once I get all of my midterms, I'm gonna just go ahead and say them. I said when I started I was gonna make this as accurate of a journey as possible. I'm okay with releasing my grades, understanding that way down the road they're going to be fully available for everybody. I'm okay with that. So, what have I been struggling with? I missed reading one night for torts, and we're doing negligence, and it's just compounding upon itself. Comprehension's a little bit more. I get it, but then when to apply it is a whole nother concept with law and law school. So, in case you guys hadn't figured it out and nobody said it to you clear enough before, law school is hard. It's not easy. So, I've had a pretty rough couple weeks, and I've I've reached out to all my professors, and I feel really good about that. And I mean, they're phenomenal in helping me out and trying to get me on the right track. Quite a few of my classmates have told me they're struggling as well. I just I love my classmates, but I gotta focus on myself, and I don't like struggling. I don't like it at all. I'm not comfortable with it. I'm not okay with it. It's not something I'm used to, which makes it even more difficult for me. So I'm gonna bust my butt this weekend to get where I need to get and to put a system in place that's gonna allow me to be proactive instead of reactive. So I let the workload kind of get to me, and now I'm reacting and catching up to everything and trying to do stuff right before class to be prepared for class, and that's not a good way to do it. It's just not gonna work. So what I'm gonna do this weekend is I'm going to get ahead on all of my stuff for next week. I'm going to do something that I've told other people to do previously. Whatever I'm behind on right now, look, I'm behind on. I'm going to do everything moving forward, and I'm going to get back to what I have to get back to. Now, if it's a concept that's linked to something that I've already learned, obviously I got to go back and get it. If I don't have that concept, I can't move forward. So I have a pretty relatively rational, I guess you can say, idea and concept and plan in place to be successful. And I think at this point in law school, when a lot of us are just kind of like, that's all you can have, it is a plan. I just need to work my plan. I'm doing pretty well in my lawyering process class, which is basically a writing class. It takes you through how to format just a different portion of identifying your rules, explaining them, analyzing them, coming to a conclusion, and I mean it's a portion of a legal memo essentially. So there's a lot of things that I'm doing well. There are quite a few things that I'm not doing well. And you know what? Let me take that back. It's not that there's quite a few things I'm not doing well. There's a couple very core things that I'm not doing well. So understanding something as a whole or conceptually, as I'm very comfortable with most of the ideas that we have, is a lot different than knowing element by element what something is. So, as an example, if you say battery, it's intentional harmful contact against a person, intentional harmful or unwilling or unconsented. There we go. Um, harmful. I'm sorry. Look, it's Thursday. I was gonna edit the video. I'm not even gonna edit the video. If y'all see how my brain is not working right now, it's Thursday night. It's been a super long week. I'm not even gonna try to explain what the heck it is that I'm missing. Just know I know how I need to fix it, and now I just need to go do it. I'm gonna go do it now. So thank you guys. I know it's been a couple weeks since I've been on here. I've been completely neglecting my tech channel, as I should be. I need to get back right with school. That's my number one priority right now. That and No, that's it. That's pretty much it. That's my number one priority right now. I mean, obviously, wife and kids are number one, and then law school is, 1B. But I'm gonna go to work now. I'm gonna go do work. So y'all have a great rest of your day.